Have you never had a brookie from Trader Joe's? Are you even living? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's video is not going to be a tutorial, but it's going to be a pros and cons video about one of my favorite businesses, like natural hair businesses, Curlbox. So, wondering if you should get Curlbox or not can be like really frustrating, because do you need all those products? Are the products good? Is it worth your money? This video is going to tell you all of my pros and cons when it comes to Curlbox. And I'm just going to start off the video by saying this is not a sponsored video whatsoever. I don't even know if Curlbox does that, but just to throw it out there, I decided to do this on my own because I love Curlbox and I want other people to love Curlbox, and I want you to know why. But I also want to be 100% honest about what you're getting and what some of the issues with having a Curlbox might be. So if you're interested in finding out more, keep watching. Alright, so I wrote the pros and cons on my phone so that I'm not rambling. Alrighty, so I'm going to start off with the pros. So pro number one. Pro number one is that you get 5 regular sized items. 5. Every month. No, you're not getting samples. If you get samples, it's in addition to the 5 that you already have. And that's something that I love. Like, this was in one of my Curlboxes. This is a regular sized product. It's not a flimsy sample that's gonna only get me through like one style. I'm set for like at least a month, maybe more, depending on how often I twist my hair. That's a big pro for me because I find myself not having products. When I canceled my Curlbox at one point, I was like, oh my god, you mean I gotta go to the beauty supply store and get products? Like, no. Curlbox is sent to your house. Sent to your house or wherever you want it to be mailed to, and you get 5. Okay? That's pro number one. Pro number 2 is it allows you to test out new products. So one reason why I canceled my Curlbox is because when I cut my hair, I hated my hair. So I wasn't wearing it out. So there was no need for me to test out any new products or to even do any videos because I honestly just wasn't feeling like myself. And I'm really sorry that I left. A lot of people were asking me like, when are you dropping a new video? When are you doing this? When are you doing that on Instagram? And I just didn't like any of the content that I recorded, so I didn't drop it. Do what's best for you, okay? Do what's best for you. I do. So yeah, it allows you to test new products, and I think that's especially really good for content creators because you get to like test out a new product and put out that content for other people to be able to see, so that your followers can either try that product out or not try it out. So that's one of my pros. Pro number 3. $25 a month, to me, I'm not trying to be in anybody's pockets, but $25 a month to me is a steal. Because in all honesty, sometimes you get like shampoo, a styler, a deep conditioner, a conditioner, and some other joint. And that's only $25. It's $20, but $5 for shipping. If I went to the store and I got 5 separate products, I'm racking up way more than $25 worth. That's all I know. Because one product sometimes, like, I think I went to the store and bought, it was a styler. That one product alone was like $15. I was like, I told y'all in the last video, I'm here to save my coins this year. And it just didn't seem logical to me to pay $15 for one product when Curlbox offers $25 worth of 5 products. So, seems like an easy answer to me. Pro number 4. If you are a product junkie like myself, this is your dream. It is your dream. Like, product on product on product. You get a product, you get a product, you get a product. Everyone gets mad products. And I love that. In all honesty, I know some people hate that, but I just enjoy trying out different products. I do. Pro number 5, if you're not feeling it, it's so easy to cancel. When I wanted to cancel, you just shoot a little email and say, I would no longer like to receive Curlboxes. You put your membership ID or something like that, subscription number, forget what it's called, and they email you back, and then they stop charging you and you stop getting Curlboxes. But it's super easy. There's no commitment to it. It's no contract. Very easy. Very easy to cancel. Okay, those are my pros. Now going into the cons. So again, these are my personal cons. Some people might have additional cons and some people might have additional pros. Feel free to put your pros and your cons of Curlbox if you have it in the comment section below. And also if you have any questions about Curlbox, to the best of my knowledge, I can try to answer or refer you to their Instagram and Myleek's Instagram. Myleek is my girl. Love Myleek. All right, some cons. With Curlbox, it is difficult to have a staple product. So it's not like you're gonna say, oh, okay, I love this product, I hope I get it again. You're not going to get it again unless you go out and buy it yourself. So it's not like you're going to consistently get that same product month after month after month because your hair works well with it or it works well with your hair. It's not like that. So if you really are a stickler for having a staple product or staple products, Curlbox might not be the best option for you. Con number 2, even though I said being a product junkie is like, I love it, product hoarding can get a little intense, okay? You need to figure out where to put your products because it can get a little crazy when you keep getting 5 products a month. So you do the math. It gets a little wild, okay? Con number 3 is if you don't like a product, you're stuck with it. Same with buying it. If you were to just buy it at a beauty supply store and you didn't like it, I don't know about you, my beauty supply store is a little difficult when it comes to exchanging or returning products. But with Curlbox, you're stuck with that product. And what makes it a little bit worse is that when you go to a store, oftentimes you're already reviewing that product before you go out to buy it. I do. But with Curlbox, you don't know what you're gonna get. So it's not like you could do a review before it's in your hands. You already have it. So now you have to figure out if you're gonna like it or not. They don't give you like a next month you will be receiving, no. So that's a con for me. Con number 5, if you're expecting like shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and styler every single month, don't. Because there are some months, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes it gets me a little tight. There are some months where you don't get a shampoo, or you don't get a conditioner, or you don't get a deep conditioner. It's just 5 products of their choice that they put in. So you can't always be a stickler and like, all right, next month I'm just gonna use the shampoo that comes in my Curlbox, because you don't know if you're gonna get one. So sometimes what I like to do is like I wait until my Curlbox comes. If I have a protective style, I'll definitely wait, but if I don't, I'm just gonna wait before I go to the beauty supply store if I see that it's close. And if I need shampoo, then I'm just gonna go get shampoo. I don't really mind that because like buying one shampoo lasts me a long time. So that's not a big concern of mine, but I'm rambling, so let me bring it back. So those are my 5 pros and 5 cons of Curlbox. I'm gonna show you guys what I got in my October Curlbox. So this is the most recent Curlbox that I got, and as I said, I canceled my Curlbox back in whenever I cut my hair, maybe like last year, December. Yeah, or January, who knows, when I wasn't feeling myself. So when I got my Curlbox, this is my first Curlbox. I signed up in September, so then they sent me the October one. So whenever you sign up, you wait a month later to receive your batch. So Curlbox always comes with like a little cute description. Like, this is so cute. It always gets me excited when I open the box and I see it. And it also gives you an idea of what these products are inside and how you can use them. And I'll show you guys that later. But you also, this one also came with like the curl waxes, the color waxes that are super popular now. You get to try new stuff without even having to go out and get it. Like, I didn't even know I wanted this. So yeah, and it also gives you the, what is that called? The company. Also, like, this is Curls Unleashed, so they gave me like more additions to their line, and they give you an idea of things that you might want to try. Like, if you like this line, you might want to try blah 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 from our line as well. I like that. And you can get featured on Curlbox. Yay! So cute. I really love minimalism. Like, look at this, is so basic but so fire. On Curlbox, it comes in a cute little box like this. I emptied out the box because it was just like, everything fit in here, but me carrying it or holding it up was just a lot, so I emptied it out. So we're starting off with, see, like in this month we didn't get shampoo, we didn't even get deep conditioner, hell, we didn't even get conditioner, so nothing to really wash your hair with, but it came with some fire stylers, so you get what you get and you don't get upset. So it came with a leave-in conditioner, and this leave-in conditioner is cool because it's also a style cream. So it's like a one-stop shop. You don't need both, and I have braids under here. I just did a little braid out with this, so praying to God it comes out nice. So leave-in conditioner / styling cream. This is also Does It All Smoothie Styler. I used this earlier in the week. I didn't let my hair dry fully because I was hyped, but this, it gave me a lot of fluff, This is the Curly Coil HD Gel Souffle. Not gonna hold you, but I'm not a big fan of souffles. Like, if I'm saying that right, but I'm not a big fan of these gel souffles. I don't know. One experience I had with it wasn't this brand, so maybe I'll give this a shot if I'm feeling a little froggy. But one thing with gel souffles is that it leaves a lot of flakes for me. And who wants that? Who wants that? I don't. So I try to stay away from gel souffles, but because it came in my Curlbox, maybe I'll try it. And this one came, or the last full-size product that we received is the temporary color wax that I said I was so excited about. And when I got the email about like, oh, in October Curlbox, like after they already sent it out, so I knew what I was getting, it gave 3 colors. It gave like a blue, a fuchsia, and this goldish color. I was like, oh, okay, we got all 3. You didn't get all 3, you got 1, but I'm glad that I got this color because I didn't want the blue or the fuchsia. So I can try that out. Some cute gloves. I don't know why I was so happy about that, but it came with gloves. And this is what I was talking about. And sometimes they come with like extra samples. This one is the moisturizing curl definition style cream and the texture boosting curl jelly. Sometimes I give these to my friends, or if I want to try it, because I don't really see how I'm gonna get all of this on my hair like in that one shot if I don't have the full product. So sometimes I'll just give them away if I need to. Alright, so that's all for today's video. I said it again, I'm gonna say it again. If you're tired of hearing it, I guess go to the next video, but I love Curlbox. I love it. I absolutely love Curlbox. It is the greatest investment, and I'm a little sad that I stopped, because when I stopped, I saw on their Instagram that they had some fire products during that time that I stopped, and I didn't get them. Like, I literally had no products, but now I'm back, and I'm better, and I'm here to stay. And let me know if you have any other questions about whether you should get Curlbox, if there's anything that I didn't answer. Sorry if I rambled. I just get really excited about these things. I tried to keep it cute and classy with the notes, and I feel like I got a little off track. But let me know if you want to know more about Curlbox. Hit me up on Instagram at Fro'inwithSha, or just ask me in the comment section. So that's it for this week's video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to the kid. Until next time, bye guys.
body, 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 body,